Hi guys, it's Harry from Kickstart Commerce, and today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys. So today's tutorial is going to show you a quick tip on how you can send a customer to a product page with a pre-selected variant option on. So the example of this here would be by using this URL. So if I sent this URL to a customer and I would want them to look at the product /import test product, then if I wanted them to see a particular variant option selected, then you can do this / SKU equals, and then this SKU here is actually the SKU of the particular variant you want it to default to. So if I show you this on the product, we have import test product, and in the variations of size is the example. If we want to send them to the page and it default on the 8.5 size, then you'd use this SKU product 1-85. Obviously you'd fill that in with your own SKU. But if I show you this in the address bar, if we go to this address now, instead of defaulting the 8 or the first one, it's defaulted this 8.5 size one. So that's quite helpful if you just want to make it easier for a customer to finish off the purchase, and you know which one they want to pick, or you know which one you want them to pick. Then that's a good little tip. Okay, and then the next little tip is you can use a similar trick on the end of a URL to take a customer directly into the cart with a product, a variant option, and the quantity already selected, so that they just get put onto that page and all they'd have to do is check out. So I'll show you the example of that here. But it would be your store / /cart.php ? And then the action equals add function is adding it to the cart. The AND function is the SKU. So the SKU here, we've got the same one, so it would be product 1-85 and the quantity 2. So if we put this into the address bar here, it takes us to the cart with the 2 items in, the 8.5 selected, and the product in the cart. So now all you'd have to do is check out. If I wanted to do something similar, but maybe change the quantity to 1, for example, and then searched, now I've got 3 because it already had 2 and it's added 1 extra in. So yeah, I think that's quite a nice little neat trick. Can definitely speed up a process and makes it easier for your customers. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions or any suggestions for a tutorial, then drop it in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.